Phospholipids are lipids in which glycerol binds to two fatty acids, one which is an unsaturated fatty acid, note the kink in the chain. The third carbon in the glycerol molecule binds to an area which is charged and includes a phosphate group. The phosphate atom is here depicted in green. Because of these two types of groups, the phosphate group and these fatty acids, a phospholipid has a polar or charged head region, and the non-polar tails are uncharged. This means that half the molecule is hydrophilic, or water-loving, and the other half is hydrophobic, or water-hating. Phospholipids are the primary lipids which compose cell membranes. There is a double layer of phospholipids, meaning that one set of phospholipids have their polar heads facing the watery exterior of the cell, and then the other set have their polar heads facing the watery interior of the cell. These polar heads are hydrophilic, they interact with water. In between these two layers are the nonpolar tails. These nonpolar tails are hydrophobic because they are fatty acids. They do not interact well with water or with charged particles such as ions and other polar molecules. As a result, these nonpolar tails form a barrier to most of the components both inside the cell and out, which are polar or charged. And as a result, the cell membrane can be selectively permeable. Things cannot pass freely back and forth across the cell membrane without the regulation of protein channels and transporters.